So this is the LILYGO T-Deck Plus. Let's get it open. So inside the first part of the bag, we have got this lovely whip antenna, which is a 868 megahertz, which is perfect for the T-Deck that I've got, as that is the regional frequency that we use here for our LoRa. And this is the actual box the T-Deck comes in. Now I must say, this is my first LILYGO product, and I love the fact that it comes in these little plastic boxes with all the information on there. So, LILYGO T-Deck Plus, it is an ESP32-S3 with a QWERTY keyboard, a LoRa chip, it's got a GPS in there and an LCD screen and battery as well. So let's crack her open. Nice protected by foam, and here we go. Here's our actual T-Deck itself. So very nicely packaged, nice bit of cardboard to stop it from bumping around, and that is literally all there is to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I put my whip aerial on straight away. As with any radio devices, you do not want to turn them on without having an aerial on, otherwise it can actually burn out the boards. So that is on there nice and snug. And you'll see here we've got a space for an SD card here, and it's also got a USB-C port here on the bottom as well. We've got our little roller ball here, which can also be used as a select button. We've got our QWERTY keyboard, just like the good old-fashioned Blackberries. We have a Grove port. On the back we have a 3/4 inch screw for attaching it to a tripod, with a hole to stop it from swiveling round. We have our power button, and a wonderful Bluetooth screen here. So this is the base firmware that it comes with. You can see that using the roll ball we can move this emoji around to be able to select things, but the good news is we can do this much more efficiently by using the actual touch display of the screen. So I'm just going to do this peel now. There we go, and we should now be able to use the touch screen quite efficiently. So we have a microphone in here, we have got our radio settings, so we can turn on RX and TX, so receive and to send. We can send messages. It has got, saying that it's finished its last TX by 100% finished. I'm not sure what message it's sent there. We can configure our radio. We have got our display for our brightness and our background. So it's like this one here is our contrast, and this one here is our brightness. We've got our GPS, which hasn't hooked on yet, but I am currently sat inside of a giant microwave oven, as I have a foil-lined room here to make sure that signals don't get in and out. We've got our keyboard bit here and our settings here. So this will tell you that it's currently broadcasting an SSID, this is the MAC address, no IP, not connected, no SD card, and it will tell you the voltage of the battery currently. We can see it's got an Arduino built into here, and this button here is set to reset. Right, that's your lot. That is the LILYGO T-Deck Plus. Fantastic standalone device that I'm really looking forward to playing around with and doing a lot more with. If you've liked this video and you want to see more and see what I do with this, please feel free to like, follow and subscribe. The next video with this particular device should be using the Meshtastic Fancy UI, which has just come out recently, which makes this device a perfect standalone Meshtastic node. Right, catch you next time. Happy hacking!